So, there's this thing, right? Whoa, there's something wrong. Wait a minute. So there's this thing that Calvin Rodgers does when he plays a particular style of music. It sounds a bit off, but it sounds really good too. Hey, I'm not saying you should play it the same way he plays it. But in this video, we're going to figure out what he's doing, how he's doing it, and how to apply it to your music. And ultimately, we will get you sounding right, sounding crispy, sounding crunchy, and most of all, sounding delicious. Hello players, welcome back. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. Did you like the animation? It took me so long to make. So long. But hey, the Player Nation deserves the very best. So if you enjoyed it, smash the like button. On a normal day, 6/8 sounds a bit off if you're not used to playing it. Take that and add an extra layer of offness onto it, and it will start to sound so complex that you would ask yourself, is this real? Or am I living in the Matrix? But don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step, such that by the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of how to play. For a basic 6/8 groove, you would play the hi-hat, then you would play the snare, then you would play the kick. All. So you put that all together. But for this groove, you're going to take the hi-hat pattern and translate that to the right cymbal. And for the OP players in the audience, you can add the hi-hat playing quarter notes with your left foot for extra points. It's not necessary, but it adds a little bit of flavor to the music. So now for the cool part, the pattern we would play, you would play 2 notes on the cymbal itself and 1 note on the bell at normal speed. So up to this point, we have this as a groove and this as the displaced pattern. So how do we put the two together? So first, get rid of the right hand pattern. Then next up, you play the new pattern, which is the displaced pattern, starting from the 5 or the 2. So this is the core of the movement he's making, but then this is just a simpler version of that pattern. So take note. Let's play it. You think that sounds cool, right? Wait till you hear it with music. And with that, you have unlocked level 700. If you would like some tracks to practice your drumming along with, check out my website, jaystiqs.com. You would get a whole bunch of tracks to help you practice all the cool chops and the fills and everything. The link is in the description down below. If you learned something from this video, or if you just enjoyed it, hit the subscribe to join the Player Nation and hit the bell to be notified each and every time a new video comes out. Smash the like button. This next video will teach you how to tune your snare drum such that it sounds really crispy for all those sweet, sweet rim shots. Click here to find out.